How you guys doing? It's Jellyman working on Liam's 2021 YZ65. We just put in an SDK Yamaha sticker kit with a brand new SDK seat cover. Man, we did some Acer B frame slides, air adjustment, fuel adjustment, so we don't have to mess with it anymore.
Yep.
We did a new plate in the front with his number 83. You're gonna be seeing this plate a lot. He's out there all over the place. He rides at Pala, Paris, Lake Elsinore, Ocotillo, Glen Helen. This guy rides everywhere. He got some bling too. He did like the Tusk oil plug, Tusk rear cover, Tusk front cover. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
All we're doing is making it nicer and nicer. So, hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday, and we'll talk to you soon.
Peace.